Welcome back. In this Python session, we will see how to create user-defined module. In past Python session, we have seen how to use predefined modules, which are already given by Python library. For example, math. This math module means it's a separate Python file having a functionalities in it. Like we have seen sqrt function, factorial function, seal, floor function, etc. So we have used that in our Python code. Similarly, we have seen NumPy module with number of functions in it like concatenate, array, etc. etc. So in this Python session, we will see how to create a user-defined module and how to use it. For that, I am going to use ideally integrated development and learning environment of a Python. Instead of a black and white command line user interface shell, we will be using this graphical user interface environment for Python programming and execution. This graphical user interface or this environment will allow us to create a new file. This will be our Python file. This separate Python file is known as a module. Suppose I many of the times we need to perform addition of two numbers, or suppose we want to calculate square of a number. So for that square of a number or a cube of a number, I need to write a functionality. So functionality means something that is performing a particular task. We know this job can be done by the user defined function which performs a particular task, and this user defined functions we are writing with the def keyword. Def, and suppose here I am using sq function for finding or calculating square of a number. As this is a function, so it is having a parenthesis. The body starts after colon. If I as I press enter key, the indentation, the space will be automatically given ahead of the def keyword. So for square of a number, what we need? Read input from user. In n variable, I want number, that's why int. We want to read it from user, that's why input function. What message I want to give? Enter number. Okay. So after that, what I need to do? In s variable, I want the square of this n variable, and I want to display this answer, that's why I am writing print. In bracket, I will be writing square of number is equal to comma, answer is in your s variable. So this functionality of reading a number, calculating square, and displaying the answer is written by me as a programmer under the name SQ. So these functionalities I have written using def keyword. We know that this functionality is not a self-executable code. It will run or execute only if I make a call to this SQ function. Now I want to save this functionality. So I am clicking on save as. Under Python folder, it will be saved. Suppose I am giving name to this file as a square. By default, the extension will be python.py. If you could see, the name of this Python file is square.py on this title bar. So it means this is a square module. This is square module. Module means a separate Python file. Under this square.py file means under this square module, I have a function with sq name which will be doing the task of reading a number and calculating square of a number. Now suppose I have closed this file. In my if I am doing some work in my Python code and I am performing some code, etc., and I want the square of a number. So again, for a square of a number, read a number from user, calculate it, and display the answer. That these three lines I don't want to write. I know someone has written that code somewhere. So we will just make a call to that sq function, but here this execution, this python code doesn't know what is sq. I have to give reference where this sq is written. So for that we have to import that our module. The name of our module was square, so it means okay, the spelling might have changed. So the name of our module was square. What was the name? Let's check it. We will go to the file menu, open. Under this Python, do we have square? This is square. Okay, spelling is wrong. We can either rename at this end square. Square. Okay. Now, if I repeat that line, import square, the module is imported. Now, if I want to read a number and display the square, I have to make a call to the sq, but that sq is under which module? Under module square. So I am writing here square dot sq. What we have mentioned, from this square module we want to make a call to sq function. So it will execute the functionality of sq function. I have given a number and the square of number is given as a 25. Whenever in your python code or another python file, if we want to import that module, we can import it by making by giving a reference of module square, and whatever is your code, if you want to write it, and whenever you want to call that function, you may call that function square dot sq, and again you will continue with your rest of the project in your file, and you will save this file, or you will save this file, and whenever I will run this module, it will start executing. Before that we need to save. Suppose I am giving name test, so this test.py is executed. As I had clicked on run button, the text is displayed as a high, the number is given, and the square is calculated. This is how we can create a user defined module, and this is how we can access it. I hope you have understood this session of user defined module. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.